Artificial intelligence, or AI, is rapidly changing our world. It's like giving a brain to machines, allowing them to learn and make decisions. From self-driving cars to personalized medicine, AI is already making its mark, but its influence is poised to extend far beyond our cities and technology. Imagine a world where AI helps us understand and manage the complexities of nature itself. This isn't science fiction, it's the future of bioengineering. AI is becoming a powerful tool to study, predict, and even control the delicate balance of our planet's ecosystems. This new era of AI-driven bioengineering promises extraordinary advancements, from revolutionizing agriculture to combating climate change. But it also raises important questions about the ethical implications of such powerful technology. How do we ensure its responsible use, and what does it mean for the future of life on Earth?
Imagine a vast rainforest teeming with life. Now, picture AI sensors discreetly woven into this ecosystem, collecting data on everything from the smallest insect to the tallest tree. These sensors track temperature, humidity, soil conditions, and even the health of individual plants and animals. This data, constantly streamed to powerful AI algorithms, paints a real-time picture of the entire ecosystem.
AI can then analyze this information to detect subtle changes, predict future trends, and even suggest interventions to maintain balance. For example, if a disease outbreak is detected in one part of the forest, AI can alert park rangers and help them contain it before it spreads. But AI's role in managing ecosystems extends beyond monitoring. Imagine AI-controlled drones planting trees in deforested areas, their algorithms optimizing placement for maximum growth and biodiversity. Or envision AI-powered robots removing invasive species with surgical precision, minimizing disruption to the native flora and fauna.
Agriculture, the backbone of human civilization, is ripe for an AI revolution. Imagine farms where AI manages every aspect of food production from planting to harvest. AI-powered sensors monitor crop health, soil conditions, and water levels, ensuring optimal growth with minimal waste. Drones equipped with advanced imaging technology can identify pests and diseases early on, allowing for targeted interventions that minimize pest